Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to download any games or any application from Microsoft Store. Now there are multiple steps, so at the end of each step try to download the game or application. Still you're facing the problem, then move on to the next step. The first step is to sign out and sign in again on Microsoft Store. So open Store on your computer. On the top right here you can see your profile icon, click on it. Then select your account, click on sign out. Then again click on the profile icon on the top, select your account, enter your username or password, enter your PIN or password over here, and then once you're logged in, try to download the application or game. Also make sure that your date and time is correct on your computer. So on the bottom right here you can see the date and time. Make a right click on the date and time and then click on adjust date and time, and make sure set time automatically and set time zone automatically is on over here. So if this is off, make sure this is on and then click on sync now, and once this is done, use Microsoft Store. The next step is to run Windows Store Troubleshooter. For that, go to the start menu, then click on settings, go to update and security, and then click on troubleshoot, click on additional troubleshooter, scroll down and here you can see Windows Store apps, click on it, click on run the troubleshooter, and once this is done, try to use store. The next step is to clear store cache using wsreset command. So just type in wsreset in Windows search box and then make a right click on wsreset, then click on run as administrator and wait for this black screen to go away. Do not close this black screen. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute, and once this black screen is gone, Microsoft Store will open up and then you can go ahead and use the store. Now here you can see the black screen is gone and it has opened Microsoft Store, so you can go ahead and try to download your application or game. Now still you're facing the problem, make sure that your Windows 10 is up to date. So go to the start menu, then click on settings, go to update and security, and then click on check for update. And once this is done, once the update is installed, restart your computer and then use store. The next step is to update apps or update Microsoft Store. So open store. On the top right here you can see three dots, click on it, then click on download and updates, and then click on get updates, and if there is any pending update, it will go ahead and update it. Once this is done, try to use store. The next step is to reset store app. To reset store app, go to the start menu, click on settings and then go to apps, scroll down and find Microsoft Store and click on Microsoft Store, then click on advanced options, scroll down and here you can see reset. So click on reset, again reset, and then once you have a tick over here, you can open store and then you can use store. The next step is to restart Windows Update Service and Background Intelligence Service. So just type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Find Windows Update in the list. Here you can see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update. Then make sure startup type is set to automatic and then click on apply. If start is highlighted, click on start, then click on OK. And with Windows Update selected, click on restart on the top left. And once this is done, try to use store. Also make sure that background intelligent transfer service is also running. So make a double click. Make sure startup type is set to automatic. Click on apply. If start is highlighted, click on start and then click on OK and then try to use store. The next step is to run this command. So if there is any kind of network issue, you can go ahead and run this command. So you can go ahead and type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, then click on run as administrator, click on yes to allow, copy all the commands one by one. All the commands are provided in the video description. And once you run all the command, go ahead and restart your computer. So go to the start menu, click on the power icon, restart, and after the restart, try to use the store. The next step is to run Powershell command. These commands are provided in the video description. Copy the first command, make a right click on the start menu, then click on Windows Powershell admin. Make sure that you're running this as an admin. Then click on yes to allow, and then run the first command, and then hit the enter key on the keyboard. And on the same window, copy the second command, and then paste it on the PowerShell window, hit the enter key, and once this is done, you can use store. The next step is to, if still you are facing the problem, you can go ahead and uninstall and reinstall store. To uninstall, copy this command again, and then make a right click on start menu, then click on Windows PowerShell admin, click on yes to allow, and then paste the first command which will uninstall store from your computer. So paste it and then hit the enter key. Now if I try to open store, it will not open Microsoft Store. Now to reinstall, before you reinstall store, go ahead and restart your computer. So go to the start menu, then click on restart, and after the restart, open Windows PowerShell once again. So make a right click, then click on Windows PowerShell admin, click on yes to allow, and then run the second command, and then hit the enter key on the keyboard. And once this is done, you should be able to open store. So here you can see Microsoft Store, and then you can go ahead and log in, or you can log in and then use store. The next step is to run dism command. So again, open command PowerShell, make a right click, then click on Windows PowerShell admin, click on yes to allow, and then paste, copy the first command, and then hit the enter key, paste it over here, hit the enter key, and once this scan is 100% complete, copy the second command and then run the second command on the same window once this is complete. Or you can make a right click, then click open Windows PowerShell admin, and then you run the second command, and once this scan is 100% complete, restart your computer and then use store. The next step is to use inetcpl.cpl command. So just type in inetcpl.cpl and then click on inetcpl.cpl. Go to the advanced tab over here, scroll down and make sure TLS 1.0, TLS 1.1, TLS 1.2, TLS 1.3, everything is checked over here. So if this is unchecked, make sure that you put a check over here, then click on apply, OK, and then restart your computer and then try to use store. Now if nothing is working, this is the last step, to use media creation tool. So you can copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Now here you can see media creation tool. So click on download tool now. It will download the exe file, run this exe file, and then you will see the screen. Agree to the terms, then click on accept. By default, upgrade this PC now would be selected. So make sure this is selected, then click on next. It will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. This process will take time because it's totally depending upon your internet. So depending upon the speed of your internet, it will go ahead and download your file. Once the download is complete, now before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app will be checked over here. So by default this is checked. Now when this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So click on install, and then after the installation you can log into your computer and then use store. So one of the steps should definitely help you to download any games or application from Microsoft Store without any issue. So in case if you are receiving any kind of error message, or if it's not downloading, stuck, anything, it should go ahead and fix that. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.